Are you struggling with modern farming challenges? Rising costs and market uncertainty can make farm management overwhelming. Introducing Prudence Consulting, your trusted partner in efficient farm management. Our Navfarm software simplifies agriculture operations, enhancing how you manage crops, vegetables, and fruits. With Navfarm, you gain operational visibility, control farming costs, and boost profitability. Our software is specially designed for crop, vegetable, and fruit farming. You can track daily activities, manage input usage, and monitor labor easily. Navfarm allows for smart batch tracking, enabling you to handle multiple crops effortlessly while analyzing each crop's profitability. Unlock the full potential of your farm data with Navfarm. Our platform provides insights into cost comparisons, high expense identification, and crop-wise profitability analysis. Why is Prudence Consulting your best choice? We offer specialized expertise, strong support for organic farming, and purpose-built solutions tailored to your needs. Book your free Navfarm demo today. Let's enhance your farming experience together. Navfarm.